connection to it. So we can use the machine, hose machine, to buckle all these 3 steps together very firmly. The hose assembly is done, and this hose assembly will be connected with your machine, and the hose assembly can convey many different mediums, such as the liquid, the gas, the air, the hydraulic oil. So the hose assembly are used very, very widely, such as construction machines, digger, excavator, or the tractor. So all the factories use the hydraulic machines. All these machines need the hose assembly. So